Dogs got personality. Personality goes a long way.
Started out hardcore, spinning on cardboard. Run up with a Tech 9, open your car door. Muy caliente, selling weed around my friend way, breaking bread with Diesel Don and Elder Sensei. And now I'm back to smacking you rapping till capitals made. Gats in your face, cop killer strapped to the waist. Easy goofy, catch a doozy for being a groupie. I got the Uzi that you only might see in a movie. Truly greedy, grimy, shifty, I'm witty, I'm silly. Really shiesty, but I'm chilly as Philly, you tiny. Mini minor, Mr. T, I'm a pity the rhymer. On call like Sean Paul, just give me the lighter. Past the drove, mastered flow, I carry on with AKs and cherry bombs, shitting on every song I get on. The Billy Idol of rap, talk shit, I lay you down right on your back, little brother.
I'm getting good, I'm getting clever, I'm getting things right in my life, I'm getting better. I'm getting something for me, I'm getting cheddar. The girls are loving me now, they're getting wetter. I'm getting good, I'm getting clever, I'm getting things right in my life, I'm getting better. I'm getting something for me, I'm getting cheddar. The girls are loving me now, they getting wetter.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Then I hopped out the shower, snatched up my do-rag, started flipping through my stash, got cash in 2 bags. Then I hopped in the 528 with new mags, spinned out like a NASCAR race, putting my thing down, proud like Return
Check
to the
if the
King.
bone's coming out. Just touch it.